An incident is about speed. Restore normal service as fast as possible, whatever caused it. A problem is about investigation. Find the root cause so the incident never comes back. Skip problem management and you're on a treadmill, resolving the same incidents forever, exhausting your team, and losing the business's confidence. Let me show you both, plus one simple technique that finds root cause in 5 questions. There's a free service desk SLA framework in the description too. Start with incidents. The single goal is restoration. Get the user back to work as fast as possible. You are not solving the mystery yet, you're stopping the bleeding. Follow 5 steps. Detect and record every incident with enough detail to investigate later. Classify and prioritize with your priority. 1, 2, 3 rule. Diagnose and resolve. Assign a dedicated resolver for the big ones. Communicate proactively, and close only when the user confirms it's actually working again. Get those 5 steps consistent, and even a busy desk feels under control. Of those 5 steps, one is a superpower. Communicate proactively. Don't wait to be chased. The moment a priority 1 or priority 2 incident hits multiple users, send one message. We're aware, we're on it, here's when we'll update you. That single habit slashes user frustration and kills the flood of duplicate tickets. And every priority 1 incident deserves a short, blameless review afterwards. Not to assign blame, but to understand what happened, why, and how you prevent it next time. Now, the part most teams skip. Problem management kicks in when an incident is severe enough to investigate, when the same incident keeps recurring, or when a major incidents review points to a systemic cause. The goal isn't another quick patch, it's the root cause, the real underlying reason, and a permanent fix. Do this in the treadmill slows. Incidents drop in frequency, the firefighting fades, and IT starts to feel proactive instead of reactive. That shift is what earns your team back its time and the business's confidence. Here's the technique to start with today. The 5 whys. Ask why 5 times, each time about the previous answer. Users lost the file server. Why? The server failed. Why? A disk ran out of space. Why? Log files grew unchecked. Why? There was no automated cleanup job. Why? There was no standard server build checklist that included log management. Notice what happened. A server problem turned out to be a missing process. That's the whole point. For messier cases, a fishbone diagram helps you explore causes across people, process, technology, and environment. So hold the distinction. Incidents are about restoring service fast. Problems are about removing the cause so it never returns. Communicate proactively during incidents and use the 5 whys to get past the symptom to the real cause. That's the running the service cluster. The free SLA framework in the description ties all 3 together. Subscribe because next week I'll show you how to make changes without breaking production. Lead well.